Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Morning.
My name is Eno Barrow, and you're one of the best female rappers in Africa. And, and I'm here with my brother.
Keke. Ajay. Oya woka kala yo. Afọlọ bọtọ mo si tolo.
We are here to present to you the winner for the best international Ghanaian DJ. And the nominees are
Best International Ghanaian DJ of the Year, DJ Kofi Dagati, DJ Bretuoba, DJ Nature, DJ Sour, DJ Miss Donaire, DJ Luther.
And the winner is DJ Bretuoba.
See me today, I dey climb mountains. My fans say, shut up, I dey climb it. Them say I be bombastic. Then they call me Mr. Fantastic. Them say I be romantic. In a dance hall, I be gigantic. Yeah, I'm just saying. Oza, 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 do my ganda. Oza, 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 do my ganda. Oza, oza, oza.
Well, my name is Kusi Mensah Isaac. And I'm taking this award on behalf of my boss, DJ Bretuoba. I'll give thanks to God Almighty for making this award. And everybody who voted for DJ Bretuoba, may God bless you all. To God be the glory.